It's really easy. Just clip it on and then pull it off. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you guys different settings. 0, but there's level 1 and 2. And then if you want to blast with cold air, you just hold down this little snowflake button and that blows out cold air. Another cool thing about this is that it blows negative ions, and that is not damaging to the hair at all. And the final thing is that it can be hung on the wall. If you have like a little clip or something, it can easily just hang, or you can easily just fold it up and put it in your drawer. It has this little Velcro piece attached to the wire so that they don't get all jumbled up. Yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this review. Bye!